through November 23, 2007, in a series of wire transfers, the defendants laundered approximately $900,000 from an account in Miami through the Bahamian account into an account controlled by the FBI in St. Croix. As well, the undercover agents discussed an additional $200,000 and $500,000 transfer with Eglejon and Owens, respectively, but none of those additional funds were actually transferred. The defendants received a total of 7% of the amount laundered through the Bahamian account as their fee, of which Eglejon received approximately $23,000. As a result of these actions, defendants Eglejon, Williams, Owens, and Cambridge were charged with conspiracy to commit money laundering. In a separate complaint, defendant Beverly Gallagher, a current member of the Broward School Board, was charged with wire fraud by depriving the citizens of her honest services, extortion under color of right, and bribery in connection with a program receiving more than $10,000 in federal funds. In the Gallagher investigation, the FBI undercover agents purported to represent two clients, a glass company and a project manager for a construction company, both of which sought to do business with the Broward County School District. In a series of meetings, emails, and phone calls, defendant Gallagher agreed to steer school board business to the undercover agents in exchange for cash payments. In one such meeting in November 2007, Gallagher told one of the undercover agents that they could, quote, make a lot of money together, unquote. In another meeting in February 2008, she agreed to become a consultant to the undercover agents to assist them in getting school board work for their clients. Thereafter, from February 2008 through June 3, 2009, defendant Gallagher allegedly misused her influence in her official position on the Broward County School Board to steer school board business to the undercover agents' clients. For this, she allegedly accepted a total of $12,500 in cash, delivered to her surreptitiously inside a day planner, a Broward County School Board envelope that she provided, and in other ways. Lastly, the third complaint charges defendant Fitzroy Salesman while he was an active commissioner for the city of Miramar, while committing mail fraud for depriving the citizens of honest services, extortion under color of official right, and bribery in programs receiving federal funds. In the Salesman investigation, the undercover agents purported to be quasi-lobbyists seeking to obtain contracts with local government entities for their construction contractor clients. According to the complaint, Salesman succeeded in obtaining two contracts for the undercover agents, one for the construction of a park gazebo and the second for the renovation of a gymnasium floor, allegedly by peddling his influence. In sum, during the time frame he was an active sitting commissioner, Salesman is alleged to have received a total of $3,340 in exchange for his influence in steering the city of Miramar contracts to the undercover agents and their clients. Our charges outline efforts by Broward County Commissioner Eglejon, Broward County School Board member Gallagher, and former Miramar City Commissioner Salesman over the years to direct municipal contracts to the various firms that were willing to pay cash for their services. They did this without revealing to the County Commission, the School Board, the Miramar City Commission, or to the public that they stood to benefit financially from these selections. Each time we announce public corruption charges, we do so with mixed feelings. On the one hand, I'm proud of the agents and the prosecutors who've worked so hard to make a difference in this community. On the other hand, I'm deeply saddened to see what there continues to be those who treat their positions of trust as a way to enrich themselves at the expense of the public. Through these cases, the U.S. Attorney's Office and the FBI and the Internal Revenue Service and the Florida Department of Law Enforcement have once again taken on longstanding corruption in a way that will have a lasting impact on our community. We must all be vigilant and not tolerate those who betray their public trust for quick cash. Our work in Broward County will continue, and we are not done. At this time, I'm going to turn it over to Assistant Special Agent in charge,